Hello everybody and welcome back to, well, the channel. So today we are playing a game called Hit the Button. I don't really know, I saw it on Steam, it's on sale and I thought it looks fun, so we're gonna play it. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy, and it's gonna be a fun little one, I reckon. I guess just get right into it. Just gotta hit the button. There we go. Just gotta hit the button. Oh. Oh. Oh, so slow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So this is so this is a puzzle game, if you couldn't tell. Yeah. I don't know. It looks fun though, and it is quite fun actually. It's like a speedrun-y kind of game, I think. Oh, get it. There we go. Oh. What the hell? My mouse is all tangled up. How? Oh my god, this is... Oh! Whoops. It's going really well, I know. But restart. So it's that one. There we go. Well, that one was difficult. Oh, it's laggy. Come on, there we go. Right. And go. We go. There we go. Do I just keep pressing the button? Do I hold it down? Oh, another one. Whoa. Reminds me of the really difficult elephant game. Oh. Oh, Slappy Bird. Oh no, I keep pressing my second monitor by accident. There we go. There we go. Oh no. That one. Oh, it's not that one. Right, let's try again. So, pay attention. Concentrate on the one. There we go. Easy. God. Oh. Alright, super speed now. Really high DPI. It's easy. Find the button, 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 there. Find the button, there. There. Got it. Oh. I was invisible. Okay, this was probably the hardest so far. All you gotta do, press a button. All you gotta do, just keep... All you gotta do, keep pressing the button. Damn it! Keep pressing the button. Button? Any more button? Button. Button. Got the button. Any more buttons? No buttons. Button. Oh. Find the button. Find the button. Find the button. There. Find the button. Find the button. Find the button. This way. Oh. There. Button. Oh, it's inverted now. Inverted button. Inverted button. There we go. Look at this. Button. Oh, Christ. Right. Concentrate on the button. On which ones again? There we are. No! All these, like, all those GTA heists prepared me for this one. Got it. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Nice. Oh. Oh, drunk mouse now. Oh, that was easy. Blurred. That's fine. Damn it! Damn it! I was gonna keep going to say I used to have a Game Boy. I'll be fine at this, but I can't see it. Damn it! Come on, button. Press button. Got the button. Did it. Nice. What? Oh, anti-gravity button. Do you want me to dash? There we go. Button. Oh. What? How do I? How on earth do I do this one? Okay, this one's, there we go, that was hard. Oh, okay, colour. Okay, that was you. Damn it. It's a little speed. Oh, okay. There we go. Button. Just gotta press the. Oh. Right. Right. Oh, got up is down. Down is up. Left and right is. Oh. This one. This one. Okay, so that is up. Okay, this one is that way. And gotta pull down. That one was hard. Button. What if I click it? Oh! We did it! Well done. Well done, everyone. 7 minutes. Let's do it again. Right, see if we can do it quicker. So we did 7 minutes last time. This time we got, you know, a bit of experience. Oh, this is a slow one. This is the one I got wrong the first time. Boop. Down. Cross. Got him. Button. Laggy button. Got him. Wait. Go. Probably do that. You can probably do that one in one. Got him. Where is this one? There he is. Speedrunner tactics here. There we go. There we go. Oh, Flappy Bird. Oh, I did it again. Damn it. It's because I keep trying to like move the mouse up when I don't need to. That's why. Right, concentrate on the one. Yep. That one's actually easy. On that one. Oh, the speedy one. This one, isn't it? High DPI. Too fast. Way too fast. Little teeny tiny movements. There we go. Bottom, top, bottom. There we go. One step. Damn it. This is the laggy one, the jumpy one, yeah. Oh, there it is. Bit more. There we go. 3, and the other one was up here. Remember now. Right, what? Fine. Where is he? Oh, it's in a different location this time. I think. Yeah, it is. there, and then it's up here somewhere. It's like here. There it is. 1. I inverted again. That's fine. Don't mind inverted. Lovely. Gone. There we go. That's quite easy. This is just the operation one. There we go. Right, 3 minutes. Come on, we're already half the time. Where is it? Just keep clicking. There we go. Oh, it's a drunk mouse. That's it. Right, this one I should be doing much better with, because I don't know why I failed miserably, so there we go. See? Told you, easy. Anti-gravity button. There we go. Oh, this one. Okay, this one's really hard, actually. So we go up. There we go. There we go. Button. 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 Press the buttons quickly. Damn it! I forgot. Such a silly little clicky game. I love the art style and the music's so jolly. It's brilliant. Oh yeah, this is the difficult one. Right. So down. Down is up. Up is down. And then it was that way. And it was this way. Damn it! This one's tricky. This one's really tricky. Down. It messes with your brain so much. And there we go. Click the button really fast. Go, 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 go. Butterfly click it. Did it. Boom. 5 minutes. Not bad. So, there we go. That was just press the button. So I do hope you enjoyed that one. It was a fun little game for you. I believe it's on sale on Steam at the moment, like for like 99p or 1.99 or something. It's mega cheap and it's short, but it's good fun actually. And I reckon the speedrun times are like ridiculous. Oh, there we go. 13 seconds. I don't believe that. That's probably macros. Yeah, 8 parts. 1 minute 33. That seems more reasonable. But I think 5 minutes is a little bit off. But yeah, I do hope you enjoy. And oh, this is friends. There we go. So I do hope you enjoy, and I'll be hoping to see you in the next one.